Hollywood Boulevard on a rooftop with my friends, drinking my cash away with them again, as we celebrate tonight like it's the end of the world. I was drifting off in a bathroom stall. I know it's just from the alcohol. Blurry lines until you call. I crawl. I'm slipping out of a crowded room so I can end up next to you, sipping champagne in Malibu. Ooh, baby, you got magic in your eyes. Sunset laying next to you. Ooh, the way you pull me close, it gets me high. Celebrate and sip champagne in Malibu. Sip champagne in Malibu. Sunset laying next to you. Nothing I would rather do. Get me high. Ooh, the way you pull me close, it gets me high. The way you get me high. Ooh, baby, you got magic in your eyes. Sunset laying next to you. Ooh, the way you pull me close, it gets me high. Celebrate and sip champagne in Malibu. Sip champagne in Malibu. Sunset laying next to you. Nothing I would rather do. You know there's nothing I would rather do. Sip champagne in Malibu. Sunset laying next to you. Nothing I would rather do. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. There's something about your eyes. Tell me this feeling's unusual. 'Cause feelings are so hard to fight. No, it's a little soon, maybe, but I'll go anywhere to take me. No, he's calling me, baby. We can all call us crazy. Let's get married in Vegas. We don't need a guest list. I don't wanna think too much. Let's get matching tattoos. I don't wanna think it through, baby. I'm so stupid in love, so stupid in love with you.
Tinatanggap mo ba si Maria Lourdes bilang kabiyak ng iyong puso? Hirap man o ginhawa, sa sakit man o kalusugan?
Yes, Pastor.
Yan ang gusto ko.
There is only one way. What you think about sharing our last name? Let's get straight to I do. I don't wanna think it through, baby. I'm so stupid in love, so stupid in love with you. I'm so stupid in love, so stupid in love with you. I'm so stupid in love with you.
Kindness also comes in the form of non-material items like love, comfort, support, prayers, respect. Ang pag-ibig, mga kapatid, ay hindi marunong magselos, hindi marunong magyabang, hindi marunong magpahangin, at higit sa lahat, hindi bastos.
You spoke my name and life began. Breath filled dust and sand. Felt you in the cool of the night.
I don't tell you every day how thankful I am for you. But deep down inside, I am so blessed to have you in my life.
Dance with me.
And all my heart grows from the place my spirit knows.
Kasi ako yung taong mainitin ng ulo. Lalo na pag may problema yung pamilya ko, and then magkakall sa akin yung family ko. And then maaasar ako. Tapos sasabihin niya, oh, relax ka lang. Ako muna ang kakausap. Mag-relax ka muna, and then saka mo ulit sila kausapin. Doon ko siya lalo nagugustuhan.
Thank you for choosing me. Thank you sa pag-aalag, pagmamahal. Grabe. Itong araw na to, ang isa sa pinakamasayang araw ng buhay ko. Yung binuo mo lahat ng mga pangarap.
Lola,
isang mainit ang ulo. Kung laging nag-aaway sila. Maging responsable siya.
Maraming salamat, Mama, Papa. Sa mga binibigay niyong advice sa akin, lagi niyong tatandaan, lagi ako nandito para sa inyo. Kahit ako yung nag-asawa. Love you po.
Love you din.
Nasabi kong ito na nung panahong... Ay! Iyak na naman ako. Nung panahon na... Nung bumagsak ako, as in, yung career ko, hindi ko na-sustain. Parang dumating na ako sa point na wala na yung career ko in one day. Parang siya yung kasama ko nung time na walang-wala ako. Siya yung nandyan para suportahan ako, nagpalakas ng loob ko. Siya yung laging nandyan na hindi ko namamalayan na grabe tong tao na to. Grabe yung pagmamahal niya. Halos wala na siyang itira para sa sarili niya. Mapasaya niya lang ako. Di ko man masabi sa'yo directly, but remember, you helped me heal sa lahat ng struggles ko. Ikaw yung kasama ko simula nung bumagsak ako. Sa pagbangon ko, ikaw pa rin yung kasama ko.
I will not abandon you. I will be your lover and your friend. I will be your supporter. I will be always fight for you.
Pag-ibig ay hindi demanding. Kusang binibigay ang lahat ng bagay. Kaya't ibigay mo sa mister mo ang lahat ng pagmamahal, pagsuporta, panalangin. Nang hindi ka na hinihingi, kusa mo nang binibigay.
I will help you all your way to success on your valuable career. I will take care of your worst. I will be your fortress when you need me. I will be everything for you.
Hanggang dulo, ikaw at ikaw lang ang pipiliin ko. I love you, mahal. Today, tomorrow, at sa mga susunod na araw, pinapangako ko sa iyo na sa'yo lang ako at susuportahan kita sa mga desisyon at plano mo sa buhay.
I fell for you in infinity. I want to be your last. I don't have to start all over again to someone else. I want to be your last kiss, last person, and last boyfriend.
Alalahanin mo, nasa babae talaga sa lahat para maging mas maliwanag yung buhay, yung pagpapamilya na gagawin mo.
Thank you, kasi dito po tayo.
Congratulations.
Just begun. Only just begun.
I'm very thankful na ikaw ang dumating sa buhay ko. Hindi man ako yung ideal guy mo, pero lalo ko pa ipaparamdam sa'yo na hindi ka magsisisi sa pinili mo. I love you forever, mahal.
Gusto ko rin tuparin lahat ng mga pangarap mo. Gusto ko sabay natin tuparin lahat ng mga pangarap natin sa buhay. At ang huli, pinapangako kay Lord na I will love you until the end of time. Love you, mahal.
You may now kiss the bride.